Make a loud noise so it runs at you.
He's really confused.
Sure he is. He's stuck in a room.
Should I try and get him out? Yeah, I'll get him out.
Oh, hey, bird.
Get him out. Grab one of these. And be like, rah!
Enemy bird.
Is he not coming your way?
Nope.
I mean, I guess you could just try and shoo him out, but I could also catch him or something.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh. What are you gonna catch him in, Jack? How about this? That. You're gonna catch him in that? You look like a magician right now.
He is a magician.
Throw it over the bird. Bring bird outside. You're gonna throw a fucking box at a bird?
Yes.
Like The Office with the bat.
Where is he?
He's yeah.
No way you're doing this right
Birdie. What the heck?
now. Is he hurt?
No, he's fine. He's just disoriented.
I wish there were a way to open that window.
There we go. Hands with all the beer. You gotta get out of here, bird.
You can go in. I'm about to run if it comes near me.
There we go.
He's by the door! Hurry!
Almost. Almost. Hey, bird.
This is what he was doing last time. There's a humongous opening. Go that way.
Have you seen that Family Guy with the fly?
The fly.
Go this way. Go this way. Come on.
Aw.
Go that way.
That's not a way you can go. Where did it go? Oh.
This way. Come on. There.
Hooray! Success! Woo!
The bird whisperer.
There we go.
Wait, why?